Hello friends, welcome to Super Tech Guru. Dosto, this product I bought from Amazon. It's a good product for a tabletop game or stress removal game. It's a wooden tic-tac toy. I bought it from Amazon. It's a Higrade brand and I show you the product and full review. It is a mango wood and shisham wood wooden game and 6 inch, it's a 6 inch. I show you with the tape I made. Yeah, it is 6 inch by 6 inch. See, this is 6 inch, this side square, okay, 6 inch by 6 inch, and total hardwood. You see, hardwood it is. You see, it is Higrade brand. Here is Higrade brand. Okay, see, and its block are about 1.2 inch size, square size, and it have like brass 0, a very good brass 0, and brass X, and one block is both side X and 0, like 0 and X, both sides 0 and X. So you can play, if you want to play with 5x, you can use this side. If you want to play with 0, then you can play with this side. And playing in simple, I tell you how. You just have to like make a. There are two players in this game, okay? And how to play? Like there is like this. I opt like for 0, and other player opt like for X. So how to play? One will put here, it's on wish. One will put here, okay? Then this, then this. So then this, then somebody will, other player will like this. So this and this and this. This is, okay? And there is another option like new game size. It's shisham wood, and here are brass too. And in this game too, like one block have both sides 0 and X, 0 and X. And here is all corner are with brass fitting. See, brass corners, brass corners, brass corners. These brass corners give this game a very good classic look. It's a tabletop game, coffee game. You can say, like, you can carry it, travel with it, and two persons can play it and have happiness. And total wood, very classic wooden and very attractive, very fashionable. And you can gift it to someone. And if you want to buy, then visit Amazon. It's a high-grade tic-tac-toe game. Link in the description. You can buy now. Thank you. Share the video. It's a complete 6-inch game, and yes, 6 by 6 inch, and its weight is around 340 gram. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.